see restaurants, I've set it up to show those places around me wherever I go. So there's a nice transition from the normal map mode to the LiveSight mode, so you can see how the places actually are now shown in the camera viewfinder. The radar at the top will show you where we have more restaurants and bars.
Okay.
Have some more, and then this is the new part. Anytime I can actually pause the scene, what I was looking at, and this allows me to more comfortably to take a closer look at what I'm seeing around me. So I can drag the scene left and right, and then when I want to see more information about the places, I can just pull them down until I see something interesting. Let's have a look at that place. So that will then tell me, give me some reviews, more information. I can even get directions to that place.
As you can see, this is actually a prototype here, so it's got the next
Like that. Then I can show you a couple of new cool things. So for example, in here Drive, we brought the My Commute feature that we already had on Windows Phone 7 now to Windows Phone 8 in here Drive. So that's very cool when you're actually commuting, doing your daily trip, for example. So it will give you updates before you even go on the current traffic conditions. And we also just have in general the live traffic situation on here Drive. At the moment, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Less red.
Yeah, and we've also worked on the UI a little bit to make it even more clear and optimized for the driving experience. So that's here Drive, and then also we have some new improvements in transit.
Nokia Transit.
So it's even easier to hop on and use the public transportation. So we've changed the UI quite a bit. So this allows you just by glance to get all the information that you need about your city's public transport. So for example, here we can see where you are currently and the closest the nearby transit options that you have. So we can take a look at that, for example, and it will tell me what the next departures from that station or stop are. It also can show the same on the map. So here are all the stops that we were looking at. And I can go into one stop and see the lines that are passing through that. What's also new is the favorites. So these are the favorites I might have, for example, saved in Maps or Drive, and they're all syncing here. And you can now create favorites and save them in transit as well.
It's all saved in your Nokia account,
Yes,
Here Maps
in
account.
Here account.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. And also it's very easy. If there's something that I've recently just looked up, I can just go back to my history and pick that route. Yeah. And here you can just take a closer look what the next departures look like. I can go into the different sections and see how they look like on the map. And actually have a look at the whole journey.
Oh.
We need that
5 stops.
And then this is a nice part. So often when you get out the last stop, you still quite don't know where's my actual destination. So you can start walk navigation. So it opens here Maps, and then it will actually walk you
So
turn by turn to your
all
final
3
destination.
integrated.
They all integrated. So similarly, from if you go to Maps and you're not quite sure how you want to go to your destination, you can start the navigation in Drive or Transit there.
When this new feature available?
So in the next coming days, it will be available from the store.
No fixed date.
Sorry?
No fixed date.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
No fixed date.
No fixed date, but yeah, pretty soon.